Hello friends, today I will discuss budget deficit and its types. Budget deficit is defined as the excess of total estimated expenditure over total estimated revenue or receipt. That is, budget deficit is equal to total expenditure minus total revenue, where total expenditure is equal to revenue expenditure plus capital expenditure. Total revenue or receipt is equal to revenue receipt plus capital receipt, or BD is equal to BE minus BR if BE greater than BR, where BD is budget deficit, BE is budget expenditure, and BR is budget revenue. Now, types of budget deficit. There are three important types of budget deficit. They are revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, primary deficit. Revenue deficit. It is the difference between revenue expenditure and revenue receipt during a given fiscal year. That is, revenue deficit is equal to revenue expenditure minus revenue receipts. Implications of revenue deficit. Due to revenue deficit, the government may have cut its expenditure on several welfare programs in the country. This leads to loss of social welfare. Second, the government has to make up this deficit by disturbing its capital budget, that is, either through borrowings or sale of its assets. Hence, this deficit either leads to an increase in liability in the form of borrowings or reduces the assets through sale of its assets. Disinvestment. Next, higher borrowings would increase the future burden to repay the loan amount and interest payments. Now, ways of managing revenue deficit. Borrowing from general public, Reserve Bank of India and rest of the world. Second, disinvestment, and last, cut in expenditure subsidies. Now, increase in existing tax rate and impose new taxes. These are the some ways of managing revenue deficit. Fiscal deficit. It is the difference between total expenditure and total receipts, excluding borrowings, during the given fiscal year. That is, fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure minus total receipts other than borrowings. It is the estimation of total borrowings by the government. Implications of fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit leads to debt trap as it creates revenue deficit due to repayment of loans and interest payment. Next, it creates inflationary pressure in the economy. The government re- the government resort to borrowing from the Reserve Bank of India to meet its fiscal deficit. It is done by deficit financing. This increases the circulation of money in the economy and creates inflationary pressure if there is excess supply of money in the economy. Now, next, it causes financial burden for future generation. Borrowings lead to burden for future generations as payment of loans and interest on loans get accumulated whose burden is to be borne by the future generations in the form of more tax and non-tax revenues. Next, it creates vicious circle of high fiscal deficit and low GDP growth. Constantly high fiscal deficit leads to a situation where GDP growth remains low because of high fiscal deficit and fiscal deficit remains high because of low GDP growth. Next, sources of financing fiscal deficit. What are the main sources of financing fiscal deficit? First source is borrowings. It may be internal sources and external sources. Internal sources include general publics, commercial banks, Reserve Bank of India, etc. And external sources include foreign government, international organizations like IBRD, IMF, World Bank, Asian Development Bank, etc. Now, second is deficit financing. The government borrows loan from Reserve Bank of India against its securities to meet the fiscal deficit. RBI issues new currency for this purpose. This process is known as deficit financing. Now, primary deficit. It is the difference between fiscal deficit of the current year and interest payments on the previous borrowings. That is, primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus interest payments. Implications of primary deficit. It indicates how much government borrowing is going to meet expenses other than interest payment. Thank you.